Hi, I'm Jen.
I'm Cora.
And this is Coffee Connections.
And today our theme is
May the 4th be with you.
Welcome to your daily dose of positivity and gratitude. Coffee Connections.
This is a fun day in our family, and I'm sure yours, because we're Star Wars fans.
Mm-hmm. And today our theme is all about May the 4th be with you. We have just basically not mom resources, not kids resource, but resources of all Star Wars fans.
Yes, and massive, massive thanks to our buddy Reese, who created our theme music for today. He creates our outro music for every day, but if you heard that in the beginning, that was special music he created for today's show because it sounded like Star Wars music. Reese, you are amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And make sure you go to his website and his Instagram listed below and go like and subscribe to his channels. Thanks, Reese. Reese.
All right, and now we are moving on to the parent, just Star Wars, older Star Wars fans.
Well, I don't know if it's a parent resource, but we thought...
Resource of all ages.
Well, we thought it was pretty amazing that there's a whole Star Wars website. And there is so much Star Wars content on here to devour that there's really no end to it. Cora, do you want to talk about some of the favorite things you found on this?
That's in a completely different section.
Well, I don't know which section did you like? The kids
that's
section?
The second resource.
Ah, I see. Okay. So the StarWars.com website has two sections. It's got the regular Star Wars side and a kids section. So she wanted me to talk about the regular side. I was immediately drawn to the interactive section. So they've got a news and a blog, video, films, series, interactive, community, and data bank. And I really liked the interactive side. We don't do a ton of video games. We do like gaming apps and stuff. But when I saw the Star Wars game, which one game were we looking for?
Go back.
It's
That one.
this one.
Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order.
It looks amazing. So we watched this trailer. I'm not even a video game fan, and I wanted to play it. It's available on PS4,
Xbox,
and I think just for a PC. So, is this the same run?
Yep.
Okay, so now could be within range. So we saw the PS4 one, and it was $70. It was like, oh,
that's PC download.
Yes. So the PlayStation 4 one was $70, and it was like, oh, that's kind of a lot, but it looks amazing. And then we just clicked on the PC version, and it's $35. So that might be a possibility. That might be a possibility.
We have PC?
So yeah, a PC is a personal computer.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. So
You
I don't.
want one too?
Well, let's see. It says get the game. It's 40% off. Star Wars Jedi: The Fallen Order, and then there's an online deluxe edition for $39, also 40% off. So we are just going to have to check in. It's single player. So there's that. So we're going to have to definitely check and see if it's usable on our Mac. I don't know if this is a Windows only kind of a thing. But anyways, this game is amazing, and the interactive section on the StarWars.com website has so many fun things to check out. So one of the other things that I liked was it talked about, in the film section, you've got a rundown of all the Star Wars films with synopsis and, I believe, ways to stream it or buy it. So let's just say you wanted to watch Rogue One. they tell you all the different ways to stream it or buy it. So Cora, if you wanted to
Disney
watch
Plus.
this right now, okay, Disney Plus,
Then it'll take you to a page on buying Disney Plus.
and that's a sign in now. Okay, so that leads us to another tip that I was going to tell people about was the Disney Plus. But let's go to your stuff first because I seem to have misplaced my Disney Plus information. That one?
It's just Disney.
Okay, so here, let's go back to starwars.com and you can talk about the kids section.
Okay, so the kids section, in the original Star Wars website, there's a little tab at the top left corner and it says kids. And you can click on it and they have 5 different tabs: games, videos, coloring pages, Star Wars Kids, which is basically it's all Star Wars Kids. So Star Wars Kids is basically the home page, and then apps. For example, in the games, it's like all games,
Disney Junior, let's go back.
games.
Fashion games, frozen games, arcade games. Ooh, let's
So
look
you
at
go
arcade.
to Star Wars. Actually, go to Star Wars Kids now that I think about it, and then you can keep scrolling down, and there's sites, videos. Let's draw Star Wars.
I like the Let's Draw
Friendly
section.
droids. Droids. All these different videos are up next. That say up next, and then there's more video series. Galaxy Adventure, Star Wars Roulette, Star Wars in under 5 minutes for kids. Let's make Star Wars. Star Wars by the Numbers, Galactic Builders, Star Wars Resistance, Galaxy Adventures Fun Facts, Bucket List, and then you can scroll down, and it has a few like different Star Wars pages or ads or website things that can take you to different Star Wars things. Galaxy of Stories, it shows you
Where they have a ton of
different
books.
and then it says show more.
Oh!
And then there's games. Hyperspeed Dash, Fearless Flyers, Solo Shuffle, and the one I tried, Don't Let the Wookiee Win. It is basically you're Han Solo and you're playing tic-tac-toe with Chewbacca.
That is cool. What is hyperspace? What is hyperspace dash? I want to play that one.
Hyperspace Dash, let's see.
The front thing has a picture
Play.
of the Millennium Falcon going around and around and around.
The Rebel base has just received intelligence via undisclosed contact. Your next mission is to locate the Outer Rim territories. Good luck, and as Master Luke says, may the Force be with you, and R2-D2 are beeping. Again. So you click it.
Oh, it's connect the planets. Faster,
It's loud,
faster.
though. And so then you just have to connect the dots and travel to the.
So
Hey, I just did that.
the kid connects the planets, and then the Millennium Falcon zips around in the pattern that you did. All right, cool. Let's go back and keep talking about other things.
Yeah, that is really loud.
There are so many games
Oh
in
my
this.
gosh. Sticker Book, Far, Far Away, Chopper Chase, Star Wars Racer Rush, Jawa Junkyard Droid.
I want to know what the junkyard
Star
droids
Wars
are.
Arcade, Galactic Spy Tatooine, Ewok Village, Strike Mission,
Ghost Raid.
Ghost Raid, and then for those of you who like Phineas Ferb, such as me, Agent P Rebel Spy, and then Phineas and Ferb Droid Masters.
Okay, it looks like you could have so much fun on this website.
Yeah, I could probably spend hours doing
I
these
think you could. But let's get back. So for kids of all ages, there is also coloring pages. And they... No, that's not right.
That's Princess Coloring Pages. Need to go to...
So they had... Okay, so the
Oh,
color...
no, you need to go to Star Wars Kids. And then Coloring Pages.
There we go. All right, Cora found it, of course.
Darth Vader, Yoda, Darth Vader and Luke Skywalker.
We're going to put
Right.
screenshots in for this stuff so that you guys can get
Yoda.
inspired. There's a
Droid.
really cool one of Luke and Yoda. I really like that one. Luke and Yoda coloring page.
Yeah, it's when Luke's training and Yoda's on his back.
Yeah, cool. So, anyways, the kids section, the parent section.
A Kylo Ren coloring page.
Cool.
And many more.
I mean, there's so much to do here. So, one of the things, and then also, if you go back into the parent
Books
section,
and comics.
if you go back into the parent section, there is a news and blog category. And one of the section is books and comics, where there's all sorts of real books and comics and stuff. This one, Cora, you might want to join, is the Star Wars Show Book Club. Read along with the Star Wars Show Book Club. We have to find out what that's about. And there's audiobooks. So really, I'm glad we found this website on May the 4th be with you. But really, there's so much here to entertain Star Wars fans for weeks, if not months, if not ongoing, unending, interactive fun. Now, one of the things that I wanted to talk about was how to watch. So, Cora and her dad have a May the 4th be with you daddy-daughter date tonight. And how to watch the entire Star Wars saga. And I think you can... Star Wars, yes. So this is my other tips. How to watch the entire saga in order. Okay, so if today is the only day that you celebrate Star Wars Day, hopefully not, but we are going to lead you to an article that talks about how to watch the entire saga in order. But that is not, but I had a different tip with Disney Plus. On Disney Plus, you can stream, there we go. How to watch the complete Star Wars Skywalker saga on Disney Plus starting May the 4th. So they announced that Star Wars The Rise of the Skywalker will stream on the service beginning Monday, May 4th, 2 months earlier than planned. So Cora, you and Daddy could do this. I don't know what Daddy has planned for your Star Wars date tonight.
You would think we were just watching one movie, but okay.
But if you do not have Disney Plus yet and you want to try it out, it's $6.99 a month.
The whole thing?
Disney Plus is $6.99 per month to access Disney Plus.
And as a kid, I think it is really worth it. Because on Netflix and stuff, I watch all the shows and I'm just bored and I don't know what to watch. And then I found Disney Plus and I immediately watched 2 movies and loved them and watched them again.
So also streaming today is the series finale of Star Wars The Clone Wars. The animated series that has, over the course of its 7th season, chronicled events that culminated in the movie Star Wars Revenge of the Sith. So there's all sorts of stuff that's available on Disney Plus. It's $6.99. Even if you didn't want to do it forever, you could sign up and watch all the Star Wars stuff this month for the price, a little bit more than the price of renting one movie. So that's pretty cool. All right, Cora, anything else that you want to talk about? Do you know what you want to watch for tonight? If Daddy gives you a choice on what you want to watch tonight, what do you want to watch?
Either the 6th or 3rd movie.
Which is what? Do you remember?
Actually, I want to watch the 6th movie.
Okay, here's
the 6th one is actually...
Here are the numbers. No, that's not it.
No. Force Awakens? No. The Last Jedi? No.
All right, let's talk to our listeners. Talk to our listeners.
It does not say here.
Okay. Do you know which one it is that you want to watch though?
No, I only know one. It has Han Solo in it. It's it might be new. It's the one with the Ewoks.
Return of the Jedi? No. All right. Well, shall we look it up really quick?
Yes.
Which Star Wars has the Ewoks in it? This should be a trivia question.
Yes.
Return of the Jedi. I got it.
Good job. Okay, and now we are moving on to our recipes.
Okay,
Right?
so Cora's friend Reese, who did our Star Wars music for today, who does our normal Coffee Connections outro, he also shared some Star Wars recipes for us. And I found out about it from his mom. I don't know if you found out about it, Cora.
No.
But it turned us on to a really cool website. And it looks like in all of our Star Wars searching, I missed it. Oh, yes, there it is. Fried Endorian Tip-Yip from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge cookbook. And so we found out that there is a Disney food blog. Of course there is. And so we found the recipe from Reese. Fried Endorian Tip-Yip.
And it's in like that Star Wars font with like little writing and sketches on the edge of the paper, which I think is Greek gravy.
I don't know. I can't even read the instructions. We're going to have to scroll into this, but we are definitely going to copy it into you so that you can see, and we're going to link to the Disney food blog so that you can check it out for yourself. Anything else you want to talk about Star Wars?
Nope.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, well, we might follow up with some bonus Star Wars things tomorrow that I might surprise you with. But for now, we hope you have a great Star Wars day.
And while you have your Star Wars day, I'm going to try as hard as I can to figure out what the surprise is, as I usually do.
Okay, and one final thing. May the Fourth be with you.